Whether you use your car for your daily commute or as your main source of income, road safety is essential. With more distractions inside the car and more vehicles on the road every year, you need a truthful record of accidents to avoid irresponsible drivers and unnecessary hassles at the courthouse. At Rexing, we believe in protecting drivers and ensuring accountability on the road. This is the Rexing V2, your roadside witness. V2 is a high-powered premium dash cam. With its distinct dual-channel design, you can capture detailed recordings of the road ahead and behind the wheel. Advanced image sensors with wide dynamic range allow the cameras to perform optimally, adapting to any light condition. Control how you record with single-channel 4K Ultra HD recording or dual-channel simultaneous 1080p Full HD recording. Each V2 lens possesses a 170-degree ultra-wide field of view, covering a far-reaching angle to give you a comprehensive picture inside and outside the vehicle. The sleek, discreet design allows the V2 to be mounted anywhere on the windshield, giving taxi, Uber, Lyft, and other occupational drivers a professional appearance while keeping them secure. Intuitive loop recording overwrites your unlocked oldest files, allowing you to continuously record without interruptions. The cutting-edge G sensor automatically detects collisions, auto-locking the current video on impact to ensure the most important footage is protected. And the ready-to-use built-in Wi-Fi makes viewing, saving, and sharing recordings on your smartphone or tablet easier than ever. Engineered for quality, designed for reliability. The Rexing V2 Dash Cam. Capture everything.